All right, let's cut the intro. We're leaving the campsite, and where are we going, Camille? What are we doing today?
I don't know.
Brian, do you need the address to the first ever KFC? That is crazy. They moved the Washington Monument. It's insane that they actually moved it to Kentucky. The Russians need to go to the Jefferson Davis Monument. Oh, wow, it is so big. You told me that yesterday, that he was one of your heroes.
No, I said gyros.
I will zoom in on the manly part because you know why? The man now rules the world. The great Jefferson Davis said that. They are like, take that to the President of the United States, the South will rise again. This is a large replica penis of Jefferson Davis, but it is not as large as his actual penis. Isn't that right, Camille?
Correct.
He had a very giant penis. Look at it. It is like the Washington Monument, except it's bigger because it's Jefferson Davis. You know what's crazy? Honestly, they literally took the Washington Monument and made it for Jefferson Davis out here. So it was literally just like a big FU. They literally were like, fuck you, Washington. We have our own president, right? My Mongolian friend. All you gotta do is go right at light number 7. That shouldn't be too hard, right?
Is this 1 or is this 0?
There it is!
It's been completely reconstructed.
It's a special KFC, so appreciate it. Alright, so come here, Brian. You guys come here. We gotta get the thumbnail. It looks so good, man. We're at the first ever KFC in Kentucky. Look at it, but it's under complete renovation right now.
Here, wait, give me with the wood.
We're going through the drive-thru. Gotta get the thumbnail.
Brayden!
Oh, Camille, be careful of the bulldozer.
Oh, puppy!
Yeah.
Puppy! Oh, I want to see the... Yes!
Alright, now's our chance. Go, Brian. Go, go, go.
I think they took away the potato
They took away the potato wedges?
Yeah.
For the first one, can we do the $30 fill-up? And the second one, the $20 fill-up?
Large Diet Coke.
Is it large Diet Pepsi okay?
Yes, that's fine. Oh, man. Yes. Brian, Camille, and Brandon got the $30 fill-up. I got the $20 fill-up by myself. All right, Brian. Try the biscuits first. 1 out of 10.
It's 8.5.
8.5? Brandon, 1 out of 10 for the biscuit. Oh.
That's good. I'd give it like a 9.
And that's the end of the food review. We made it to the Airbnb. It's super nice. I got the $20 KFC meal. 2 mashed potatoes, coleslaw, 4 biscuits, and 12 pieces. Chicken, I get 8.5. Coleslaw, 8.5. Mashed potatoes, 8.5. Brayden, it's beer pong time, my friend. I need to see your hand, Brayden.
My hand?
I need to see your hand. You've just been iced, my friend. I'll do it with you, Brayden. Wait, Camille. Yeah.
What a surprise!
I have, just in case, emergency ping pong balls. We have the beer pong set up. The teams.
Who's the best?
Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. I was not born to drown. Baby, come on. Forget what Father Brennan said. We were not born in sin. Leave a note on your bed. Let your mother know you're safe. And by the time she wakes, we'll have driven through the state. We'll have driven through the night. Baby, come on. If the sun don't shine on me today, and if the subway's flood and bridges break, will you lay yourself down and dig your grave, or will you rail against the dying day? And when we
We have redemption. No, you go first. You go first. I need to be clutch, Brayden. Oh!
Just don't let me get in your head. I'm being serious now, you know?
Let's go! I told you I am clutch! I told you!